Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
We will block SolidWorks from accessing the internet by using the Windows Firewall Outbound rules. You must have administrator rights on the computer to create and enforce firewall rules. Back up any license files and confirm your license supports offline use before proceeding. This method targets program executables and update services to fully prevent outbound connections on ports 80 and 443. Once rules are in place, SolidWorks can run locally without reaching update servers or telemetry endpoints. Open Windows Firewall with advanced security using WF, MSC, or Windows Search to start. Choose Outbound Rules and click New Rule to begin a program rule creation. Point the rule to C, /program files /SolidWorks corp /SolidWorks /SLDWorks. EXE and choose Block the connection when prompted. Repeat for C, /program files /SolidWorks corp /SolidWorks /SolidWorks update service. EXE and any launcher executables. Start SolidWorks and then open Resource Monitor or run netstat-b in an elevated command prompt to check for outbound connections. Confirm that SLDWorks. EXE and SolidWorks update service. EXE show no established connections on ports 80 or 443. Open services. MSC and stop or disable the SolidWorks update service, and also delete or disable any scheduled update tasks. If SolidWorks updates change executable names or paths, reapply or edit the firewall rules. This firewall approach is the only reliable way to fully stop internet access.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.